Hello friends, in this lesson we will be discussing Delphie Technique. Actually this Delphie Technique came in 1950 and this is the structured way of communication. And in this technique lots of question and answer takes place, and finally the result which is accepted by all in that group or by experts, that is accepted, that's known as actually Delphie Technique. Let's discuss in details. Actually, this Delphie technique came in 1950. Two persons you can say, namely Olaf Helmer and Norman Dahlke. Olaf Helmer and Norman Dahlke, two persons, developed this Delphie technique in 1950s. And this technique, I have told, this is a structured means of communication. You can say this is structured means of communication. Structured means of communication. And lots of question and answer takes place, and this question and answer takes place by experts. You can see here I am going to discuss the principles which takes place in this Delphie technique. You just see. Now we'll discuss the principles. What are the principles? Actually there are four principles. First principle, make question for the experts. In the first stage, you have to make questions for the experts. That means there is panel of experts. You can say panel of experts, right? And after this panel of experts, you have to analyze the answer, then analyze. And again, you have to put question and answer to others, so that you can say, you can create second round of question and answer. And finally, you have to accept when there is consensus. Let's discuss again. What happens actually in this Delphie technique? First, make question for the experts. That means panel of experts are there. They will give answer. After that, analyze the question and answer. Then create second round for question and answer. And lastly, when everybody will accept the result. When everybody will accept the result, final result, that means there is no dispute, you can say consensus. Then that is accepted, right? That process, that method is called actually Delphie method. This Delphie technique is also known as Delphie method. This is very beautiful way of expressing those question and answer in first round, and then second round, third round, and finally you have to accept. This is actually known as Delphie technique. It has lots of merits, and you have to know also the demerits. In this case, Delphie technique, who are the experts you don't know? That means most important, there are lots of advantages, but one demerit, the number may be increasing. One demerit you can say, anonymous experts. That means from different field, all these experts are coming and there is question and answer, and finally we accept the result and used in structured way of communication in organization. These are the things you have to remember. Wish you happy learning. Thank you very much. Thank you.